Hello, in front of me I've got POCO M5s. In this video I'll show you how to add different types of cards to Google Wallet. In the beginning, let's go to Google Pay or Google Wallet. Tap Add to Wallet and now focus on Transit Pass, Loyalty and Gift Card. Firstly, let's enter Transport Pass, and if you are able to find your transit way, select it. You'll be redirected to a website where you have to finish the inside form. Next, let's go to Loyalty and select loyalty card you would like to add, for example, Payback Poland. Now you can scan your card or enter member ID manually. Tap Add to Wallet and it's done. Let's go back and in the end, let's select Gift Card. Similar to Loyalty Card, select Shop, enter card number, PIN, balance, your notes and tap Add to Wallet. All of your cards will appear on the homepage of Google Wallet app. If you find this video helpful, please leave like, comment and subscribe.